Look at my Sammy.
What you doing? What are you eating there? That looks delicious.
Thank you very much.
What's your name? What's your name? What are you eating, Preston?
Chips.
Mmm. And there's Grayson. Today's the 26th of September, and we are having a birthday dinner for Grandpa. This is Charlie, and he's attacking my feet. Ah! Charlie! Charlie! How come your faces are in the shadow? Devin, I don't think Charlie wants you to pick him up.
Yeah.
He's too precious.
Devin, how old are you? How old are you? 2?